I had the support to build myself up while I was in school and then be ready to hit the ground running once the internship opportunity came along. I was involved in the Modern Manufacturing Work-Study program, and that program was important to me because it meant that there's a bunch of employers in the city, in Columbus, that come to Columbus State and they speak to the faculty and they tell them exactly the skills that they're looking for. And so the companies partner with Columbus State, and then I knew that if I was enrolled in that program, that everything or every class that I took was going to give me skills that once I graduated would have helped me in whatever company that I would have hopefully been hired onto. So I knew that my time was going to be well spent. It was going to be short because it's a 2-year degree, and most importantly, like I said, I just wanted to be able to get out and get working and have everything that I needed to succeed.